certification. We have 11 plants in India, as well as we acquired one plant in US this year.
Gaurav. Can you brief about your organization?
Uh, Kaynes Technology is a 36-year-old company. It's a public listed company. In fact, it was the first EMS to get a IRIS certification in India, even before the OEMs could take that certification. We have 11 plants in India, as well as we acquired one plant in US this year.
How do you plan to engage with companies at this event, and what key messages you want to convey to other companies?
So we have put up a booth here,
Okay.
and we expect that visitors and the exhibitors will visit us so that we can explain about our organization. As such, Keynes is well known in the railway electronic manufacturing. Uh, we want to say that we are into railways for more than 25 years. We support customers in India and globally, railway customers, in signaling, in the rolling stocks, as well as infrastructure or track maintenance in the complete gamut of railway requirements.
Just keep it to us. How does your company support the entire spectrum of ESDM services from the conceptual design to life cycle supports?
So we have a 100% subsidiary called Chemsys. They are engaged into design of various systems. So they do hardware design, software, firmware, and including mechanical design. So from concept to design, they bring in. As I mentioned, we have 11 plants. We does all the manufacturing. There are two cable harness plants, two plastic injection molding plants, and we do a complete unit integration at Keynes, including the FAT is done at Keynes. So now with the new acquisition, we expect to grow our business in America.
So, how does Kaynes technology incorporate sustainability into its manufacturing process and business practices?
See, our chairperson, this is very close to her heart, and she strongly believes that it has to be built in every phase of manufacturing. So we have been in early, uh, you know, um, uh, early incorporator of sustainability. We have been continuously investing into modern infrastructure and capex, as well as processes which can improve productivity, reduce wastages, and reduce energy consumption. That has been our hallmark of Keynes technology. Our two plants are the headquarter Mysore, as well as the new plant at Chamarajanagar are also green plants. We have sustainability is also as is one of our objective. So we have various programs related to carbon footprint, related to waste management policy, sustainability running into our right. Other than the, we encourage sustainable transportation for our employees. We have program running for Go Paperless, etc.
So, what opportunities do you see for the networking and collaboration with other industries player at this event?
So, see, there are two aspects that we are looking at this event. We see certain OEMs which are into very, very specific product lines. They have been, supplying a lot of equipments to Indian Railways or metros. They have not been locally manufactured. So on one side, our existing all customers, where who know us, we are trying to grow business with them. But more focus will be on these customers and show them that okay, there is a capability in India, so we can have a jointly participate in Make in India drive, as well as look for a global markets along with them.
Okay. So, like, what are the key challenges and opportunity you see in the rail and metro sector in India?
So India has a extremely large infrastructure. We have railway network of more than 70,000 kilometers with more than 7,000 railway stations. But increasing population as well as increasing aspirations of the people gives a lot of challenges to railways ministry. On one side is how to expand the network, as well as second side is how do we modernize it. So we see immense scope for companies like us to develop as well as manufacture latest technology products like Kavach, etc. In the the Indian for the Indian railways and metros.
Okay. So, are there any specific project or areas within the rail and metro sector that you believe need more attention from the government?
I think first of all, thank God there is a continuity in the government. The current minister is extremely, what I can say is a dynamic and hands-on approach. He is very well aware about the tasks or challenges which railway minister faces, and our Vande Bharat is a shining example of that.
Yes.
What we could achieve it. Having said that, I think there are a lot of challenges both in signaling, safety, on board, customer experience that can be improved a lot. Uh, to my knowledge, I think a huge amount of programs and efforts are underway in railway ministry, and and it takes 8 to 10 years when with this mammoth infrastructure to modernize, and you'll start seeing the results towards in this government ministry timelines.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time and kind
Thank you
answers.
very
Thank
much
you.
for giving the opportunity. Thank
Thank
you
you
very
so
much.
much, sir.